So we always say, yes, I am fine. We never show our sad moment, right? So
Yes,
similarly, like
ma'am.
whenever you connect with any new person, like it's your second time, okay? I would like to
Yes.
recommend about your third conversation. When you are going to connect with any person third time, before connecting to that personality, don't say that I'm a beginner, I'm feeling nervous. So these type of negative things, don't tell your mind, don't tell that personality. Start with full confidence, like you can say that, hello, good evening ma'am, how are you? Yes, I'm also feeling well, and I'm doing great in my life. So with confidence start, you know, only it's up to us, ourselves, like we make ourselves dull. I'm not looking good, I'm not wearing good clothes, so we start feeling dull, we start feeling dull, right? So the same happens with us, like if you are saying all time negative words, negative, I'm sticking, I'm forgetting this, nobody knows how much English you know, where you are lacking, where you are sticking. Finally, we are meeting after a long process. We have been waiting,
Yes.
right?
I'm so happy, ma'am, because it's been one and a half month, I think.
Yes, we have been planning. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you,
But
ma'am.
yes, since
Similarly.
we're meeting first time, so first of all, would you mind introducing yourself?
Okay, ma'am. Yes. First of all, I will thank you for giving me this opportunity. And my name is Mamta, and I'm from UP, but currently I'm living in Delhi for my
Okay.
job purpose. And if I talk about my qualification, I have completed my plus two only in 2019,
Okay.
and due to my curiosity, I had curiosity to learn this language. So nowadays I'm putting efforts to learn this language. And if I talk about my hobbies, I don't have any specific hobbies, but as I'm learning this language, so nowadays I'm trying to incorporate reading habit, or whenever I get time, I listen podcast or conversational video like your videos or the Hati Madam videos and Mansi Madam videos.
Okay.
That's all about me. Yes,
Hmm.
thank you.
Wonderful. And it sounds good. Like you are
Yes,
living in
ma'am.
Delhi and you are putting your all efforts to grab this language. So that's wonderful. I'm very curious to know, like, when did you start your speaking journey and how do you practice English?
Okay, ma'am. It's been 6 months.
Okay.
I have been putting efforts to learn this language, and if I talk about uh, speaking, so it's been 2 months. I'm speaking, and I have joined one application. On that application, I practice on a regular basis. Uh, Now from 1.5 an hour regularly.
Okay. Okay. So,
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
the name of that application?
Talk now. It is completely free.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Now I got it. I think there you connect with many learners and they
Yes,
are
ma'am. Learner.
and the audio call practice you do.
Yes, ma'am. But I am not comfortable. I don't have confidence to talk over video call. So that's why nowadays I'm looking for connecting to people on a video call or to talk to them or building my confidence. And this is
Yes.
my second video call. First was with Mansi ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. Mansi Gola, right?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. And hats off to you. It's a great initiative. Like if you want to overcome from your any kind of fear, first of all face it, and you have taken it as a challenge, and now you are second time like just collaborating with me. That's wonderful.
Yes.
And this is how you can overcome from your fear. And always try to make eye contact on video call.
Okay.
It is always
Mm-hmm.
necessary to make an eye contact, because when we make our eye contact it gives us more confidence, and we don't look underconfident, right? And there is
Yes.
no need to be
Okay.
nervous, there is no need to be fear, because I am not taking an interview, I'm just like a friend. And so yes, be cool and calm while doing conversation. We are practicing here, so no worries if you make mistake or you fumble, right? Hmm.
And
Great.
this is the thing I love the most of your, when like you are really down to earth and you make people comfortable. I have seen your all the videos. Like I have watched so many videos of yours on YouTube, on Instagram, and the way you elaborate things or the way you teach, I like your teaching way or the way you make people understand. So that's
Hmm.
why I thought of to connect with you. Thank
Great.
you, for giving me this wonderful opportunity because I'm nervous. You can see on my face. I have butterfly in my stomach, but slowly and gradually I'm reducing my fear as you are making me comfortable or as we are talking.
Great. It's really sound good. Like you appreciate my work, and it is my
Yes.
intention. It is my motto, because I know I have gone through the journey of learning English when I was beginner. I know, so that is why whenever I connect with any beginner, I am able to understand the condition, like how are they feeling and how they are struggling, because it's total relate with me. I never joined any spoken classes. I learned English by my practice only. Like I did practice at my home. So this is how I am learning too. Like I don't join any particular spoken classes. I just practice myself. Yeah. So that is why I understand. I can understand you. Okay. Great to know about
Yes.
you.
Yes.
So
And whenever I would say one more thing. Whenever you put your story and any like expressing like you would always for girls or for women like you should do this, you should do that, you should understand, you should uh, stand on your feet or these kind of stories that motivated me a lot whenever I watch your story, whenever I see. So I get motivated a lot from your stories and from your the way you explore the things
great,
very
great.
now.
Mm.
Yes.
Actually, being a teacher, I think it's my responsibility. Like I should
Yes.
inspire and motivate all the learners and all the students. That's I do in my offline coaching too. Whenever I teach my students, not only
Mm.
I teach them, with books. Also, I make them understand the real value of life and the real purpose of life, like why we are
Yes.
in this world and what is our great motto and how should we live our life. So that is the
Yes.
most important thing, because in this technology era everyone is chasing behind the money, like how to earn a lot of money, how to make money. So making money is good, because you can't survive without money. Money is the first
Yes.
priority, but along with that, we should never forget to make a good character in ourselves, make
Yes.
a good citizen, because we are human being. So good manner and good etiquettes should be the, you know, first priority, I would like to say. And we should
Yes.
know the making, we should know the understanding, making the balance between the money and the good character, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
because I have noticed, like, as much as parents are worried about the students kids growth, about the job, about the money, they are not too much worried for the character also. I
Correct.
think so, really, because they always, you know, give punishment to their kids, like, why are you not getting good marks? But when they do some kind of, you know, bad things at home, like if they speak ill with others, with their senior, sometimes, you know, parents laugh. They
Yes,
don't, yeah, I'm not talking about all the parents. Like, some parents are good, they understand the value of good etiquettes, so they, you know, scold their kids. But there,
yes,
I live in this society, like in my surroundings, I have noticed sometimes, you know, if a child, you know, describe anything, like, today I, you know, speak rudely in front of my teachers, or maybe in the neighborhood, if they do bad behave. So many parents, I have noticed that they don't make understand their kids that you shouldn't do like this, or they are senior, you should apologize. They always laugh, like, wonderful, wonderful, you are doing great, like, you shouldn't need to afraid from anybody, you can speak ill to everyone. So I really, you know, afraid of these kind of things, because we are the student life or kids life total depend on teachers and, you know, parents, right? So
yes,
if
ma'am.
parents are not giving good parenting, if teachers are not providing the good manners to the children, so who will give, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So that is why I always try to try to give my best, whatever I can do. Yeah, because I believe that I can't change the world, but if I can
Yes.
change one person, it would be great for me.
Yes, ma'am. And after listening you all, after watching your videos, I get motivated a lot. And since I have started watching your videos and Dhyati madam's videos and Mansi madam, I have started my like doing such certain things which help me in future and which I'm building my I'm thinking about my future, what I should do for my future and how I should work, which can make my future bright. So these all the things I have learned from you and from those like in your videos. So
Oh,
I I get lots of like courage or motivation, and I
great.
really want to be like you guys. As you are doing great job and as you are motivating like people same like you. Because from my side, in my village side where I'm living, they are just not aware of these things like what should I do and how should I work as a woman, as a girl. We
Yes.
should stand on our feet. So, and I'm aware. So that's why I want to do something different from my villager and from villager girls, so that I can make them understand like you should do whatever you have decided, whatever you are thinking to do. So that's why nowadays I'm learning and I want to do something different, like you, like other YouTuber or independent girls or women.
Wow, definitely you have exceptional thoughts. I would like to praise you that really the person,
Thank you.
like, we shouldn't run behind the crowd, because we have
Yes,
our own mind. First, you need to understand the things, like, really it's working for me or not. Or we should always be a great, you know, selector. like what is the right thing and what are the wrong things. So if you are educated, if you have intellectual capacity, then you can make right decision for your life. Because
Yes.
once if you choose any wrong or right path, it will impact your future.
Impact
Right?
future.
So that is why always make a right decision and always try to think unique. Because if you are standing among the crowd, so you will be you will look different if you have unique
Yes.
quality in yourself. So
Yes.
that is why always think unique, and not only think, always try to implement all those things in your behavior or career. Okay, so whatever you think and you want to become in your life, just to make a goal, and after that make a lot of short term goal. Because if you have a long term goal, and for achieving your long term goal, you should pursue short term goals first. So once if you
Yes.
are able to achieve your short term goals, you will definitely able to achieve your long term goals. And here I would like to know about your goal. Like, what is your goal? What do you want to do really in your life?
Okay. First of all, I want to be independent girl. This
Okay.
is my major goal, or which I can take decision on my own, and I can help others just by earning some money, like my
Okay.
family member. Or and second one, I would love to be like you. I want to do something like I want to be teacher in future, and not that kind of. I want to like start my YouTube channel like you, or I want to help others like you. You are doing great job, and who are struggling learning this language, speaking this language, and I want to help those who are not who don't have such kind of facilities, or they are struggling to find uh,
Great,
find.
great.
Yes,
You have wonderful thoughts, and yes, keep it up. Because before doing anything, we have many plans in our mind. So plans
yes,
are good. If you have plans, if you have good mindset, after that you can achieve that. Like, if I talk about manifestation, so it is said that if you manifest anything, just start working the same. After that you can get
yes,
the result. Only daydreaming is not enough. Like, start
yes,
working on that. Okay, so that's
yes,
wonderful thing. Like, you want to become you don't want to become a selfish kind of girl. Like, whatever you want to achieve, you just want to give to the society. So
yes, ma'am.
that's wonderful.
And
Otherwise,
especially I want to be inspiration for my villager girls who are like not aware of these kind of things, to be independent, to do something for their self. So that's this is my goal, or let's see what happen in future.
everything will be great. Always be optimistic, never be demotivate. And when we start going on right path, we have to struggle a lot. So always be motivated, more energetic, and don't listen to your neighborhood relatives and other people. Be deaf and dumb. Only listen yourself and follow, focus on your goal only. Then you can't distract. Otherwise there is no time to distract, because it is the
Yes,
social media era. And so if you want to focus on your goal, just live with your goal every time, right?
okay,
Then
ma'am.
only it's possible, like, you can go through the right direction. Otherwise we can distract anytime, right?
Okay,
And
ma'am. Thank you
yes,
for suggesting me. Ma'am, I have a question. Can I ask?
Of course, feel free to ask any question.
Actually, when I have so many things in my mind, and when now since I have connected to you, I am stucking a lot and I'm forgetting all the things. I'm feeling shy, or I have a butterfly in my stomach. So how I can overcome of this thing? I can build my confidence, because I when I talk on audio call, I speak in a good manner. People appreciate my English, like you are speaking good and your English is good, and just keep doing such kind of things and you will achieve your fluency, something like that. But since I have been connecting to you, I'm feeling nervous, and I'm stucking a lot. You can say, you can see, as so how I can overcome.
Okay, so you have asked a really great question, and it's not only your question, but all the beginners think same. Like they always think that why I stuck when I go through video call, right? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
this is not an issue. This is not a big deal. It's just only the lack of practice. You never attended video call, and it's your only second time. Still, you are doing the best. Like you are saying, you are sticking, but I would like to say that no, it's wonderful, marvelous, because I have seen the people like when they, attempt 10, 15 conversation, video conversation. After that, they get that kind of courage or confidence. But in second time, you are doing great. Why are you feeling demotivated and why are you feeling nervous? And nervousness is in only your mind and in your heart. I'm not,
Yes, ma'am.
you are not looking nervous. You are looking confident. As much as you think negativity, as much as you think like I'm nervous, it starts expressing on your face. So don't
Yes,
think, don't say I'm nervous. Say that, ma'am, I am confident. I'm not nervous. Whatever we think, our mind just shows on, like if you are feeling sad, it shows on our mouth, face, right? If you are feeling happy, it shows on your, face expressions. So never say that I'm nervous. Never say that I'm underconfident. Even you feel, but never try to so. Sometimes we just make excuses in our house. Like if we feel sad and if suddenly any guest come, so we always say, yes, I am fine. We never show our sad moment, right? So
yes,
similarly, like
ma'am.
whenever you connect with any new person, like it's your second time, okay? I would like to
Yes,
recommend about your third conversation. When you are going to connect with any person third time, before connecting to that personality, don't say that I'm a beginner, I'm feeling nervous. So these type of negative things, don't tell your mind, don't tell that personality. Start with full confidence. Like you can say that, hello, good evening, ma'am, how are you? Yes, I'm also feeling well and I'm doing great in my life. So with confidence, start, you know only it's up to us, ourselves. Like we make ourselves dull. I'm not looking good, I'm not wearing good clothes, so we start feeling dull, right? So the same happens with us. Like if you are saying all time negative words, negative, I'm sticking, I'm forgetting this, nobody knows how much English you know, where you are lacking, where you are sticking. So if you are telling to yourself, like it shows on your face. Stop thinking and saying these negative things. Feel confidence inside you, and it will show on your face. Great. Now you got
yes.
it.
Uh, okay, ma'am. Thank you, thank you. Uh,
Okay, Mamta. So
which
my next question is that, like, how do you, like, you practice on audio call? Okay,
yes,
but what are the other things do you do apart from listening and speaking? And do you write or read something?
No, ma'am, I don't have much time. I don't get the sufficient time so that I can write anything or read something because but I'm thinking nowadays I'm thinking to incorporate reading habit because there are so many people over YouTube they suggested like you should if you want to gain your fluency you should incorporate reading habit. So nowadays I'm thinking to incorporate reading habit, but I'm very pathetic. Whenever I try to read something, I feel sleepy and I feel monotonous. But
Okay.
slowly I'm putting efforts to like I take one story on a regular basis. Uh, it is kind of intermediate. I asked to chat GPT, like, please give me an intermediate level story I want to read. Then I read on a regular basis, and I'm taking a baby step toward the reading habit. And apart from this, I listen a lot, as much as I can, because during my work, I put earbud and I prefer to listen. And apart from this, I do practice half an hour. That's it.
Okay, so that's also wonderful. Like if you are spending your time to listen a lot, because listening is also a great
Yes,
practice.
ma'am. Whatever
While
I'm
reading
speaking, just
is
because of listening, I have again fluency by listening. I have
okay.
improved a lot.
Great,
Yes,
great.
listening helped me a lot.
Yes, and also we should always uh, go through our interest. Whatever interest you have,
Yes,
according to that you should follow. Because if you are doing anything forcefully, you will not enjoy,
yes,
or
ma'am.
yeah, you can't do well. So yes, if you are enjoying listening, you can do. And but if I talk about speaking, you can't relay speaking, because without speaking you can't speak. So it's your
Yes,
mandatory. Yes. So speaking part, like you should never skip. Speak English daily, and you can do great in your life. I can say, because I have seen that, I have noticed that courage, and you are so passionate, and you have too much burning desire in yourself to learn English. So that's really commendable and incredible you are doing. And I hope that you grow in your life. May you get a lot of success in your life. And as you shared that you want to be an inspiration for your village girl, I hope so. Like never quit this dream, and you should follow this dream. Your unless you get it, right?
thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your kind word. And yes, I'm putting efforts toward my journey every day as
Okay.
according to
And
my time. Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
And now it's time, like I'm running out of time, and I would like to wind up the session. But it was nice meeting to you, and I hope that I'm looking forward to meet you again. If you have time, we can meet on
Me
Sunday.
too, ma'am.
Oh,
Similarly, so do I. I also would like to connect to you again, and I'm very happy to after talking to you. And thank you so much again, and for giving me this opportunity or talking to me, or for your kind word and for your motivation. And I have learned so many things from you guys as since I have been watching your videos or and uh, take please try to connect me again, ma'am. This is
sure.
my humble request to you.
Definitely, we will meet and we will talk on different topic. Okay.
Okay,